Good day, decoders. Welcome to Decode, where we turn complicated investment related jargons into simple and easily consumable bites for you to understand and use in daily life. Today's topic is bond yield to earnings yield spread and how it varies across different market phases. So let's understand first what is bond yield to earnings yield spread. Bond yield and earnings yield spread is a valuation metric used to evaluate the relationship between benchmark yield and equity market earnings yield. हायर स्प्रेड का मतलब है कि फिक्स्ड इनकम मार्केट इक्विटी मार्केट से ज़्यादा अट्रैक्टिव है. The fixed income market is more attractive than the equity market. Lower spread indicates that the equity market is more attractive than the fixed income market. Now let's understand bear market. One example of it is from April 2008 to May 2009. During bear market, bond yield and earnings yield spread started at 127 basis points and dropped to negative 606 basis points. इसका मतलब था कि equity markets were undervalued. This phase indicated that investing in the equity market could have been more profitable. Now let's take the second market phase, that is sideways market. From December 2012 to March 2014. In this phase, initially the spreads were positive, but after the rate cut cycle they turned negative, making the equity market more attractive. लेकिन March 2014 तक spreads had risen back to 208 basis points, making the fixed income market seem relatively more attractive. Now let's see in the third market phase, that is bull market phase. From September 2020 to November 2023. In a bull market, the bond yield and earnings yield spread usually widens. During this period, spreads rose to 231 basis points, which indicates that the equity markets were at their peak. ऐसे टाइम में इक्विटी मार्केट्स में इन्वेस्ट करते वक्त ध्यान रखना चाहिए. One should proceed with caution when investing in equity markets. Let's look at the recent phase, that is of the COVID-19 pandemic from Jan 2020 to April 2020, when the pandemic was at its peak. During the COVID-19 pandemic, जब global lockdowns हुए, spreads fell to negative 121 basis points. This indicated that the equity markets had become quite attractive during this time. Lower spreads in this phase suggests that equity markets investment के लिए ज़्यादा favorable था. In conclusion, bond yield to earning yield spread is an important metric that helps us determine which market might be more profitable to invest in, depending on the market phase. इसे समझकर आप अपने investment decisions को और बेहतर बना सकते हैं. Thanks for your time, decoders. We will be back very soon with another topic for you. So stay tuned and keep watching Decode.
म्यूचुअल फंड निवेश बाजार जोखिमों के अधीन है. योजना से जुड़े सभी दस्तावेजों को ध्यान से पढ़ें.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.